Let's take a quick look at Cortex AI, the intelligence layer of the Flex83 platform. Cortex is not just a chatbot. It is a multi-agent system that understands user intent and routes each request to the right specialized agent. On the screen, you can see multiple agents such as data engineer, ML engineer, IoT asset, and more. Each agent is designed to handle tasks within its domain using its own set of tools. Let's start with a simple example. You enter a request, create a Salesforce connector. Cortex analyzes this instruction and automatically routes it to the data engineer agent. It identifies the required plugin, retrieves the configuration, and prepares the connector setup with intelligent default values. Before executing the action, notice that Cortex does not directly perform operations that can modify data. There is a built-in approval mechanism to ensure control and safety. Once you approve the action, Cortex proceeds to create the connector. Now, if you navigate to the connector section, you can see that the Salesforce connector has been successfully created and is running. Next, let's move to a more complex use case. You enter the following request. Find a large manufacturing table in Flex Lake, perform profiling, cleaning, feature engineering, and train a model. This request involves multiple steps. Cortex automatically generates a detailed execution plan. It breaks the task into stages, including identifying the dataset, profiling the data, cleaning and pre-processing, performing feature engineering, saving the processed data, and finally training the model. Once you approve the plan, Cortex begins execution. It starts by profiling the data, identifying issues, and applying necessary cleaning operations. It then generates features and prepares the dataset for modeling. At key stages such as saving data and training the model, Cortex again requests approval to proceed. After approval, it completes the entire workflow. With a single instruction, Cortex is able to execute the full machine learning lifecycle, from raw data to a trained model. Now, let's look at the Knowledge Hub. Here, you can upload documents such as PDFs, CSV files, JSON, or Markdown files. These documents become part of the system's knowledge base. This allows Cortex to understand context without requiring repeated explanations. It can reference schemas, metadata, and documentation to make more accurate decisions. Finally, there is a re-embedding feature. This allows you to reprocess and optimize your data embeddings. It is useful when your data changes or when you want to improve retrieval quality. Since this is a heavy operation, it should be used carefully. This is how Flex83 Cortex AI simplifies data and AI operations.